Apple's commitment to innovation extends beyond its flagship models. The company's iPhone SE series has consistently delivered powerful performance in a compact form factor, catering to a specific niche of users who prioritize portability and affordability. Building on this legacy, Apple is poised to unveil the iPhone SE4 in the first quarter of 2025, a device that promises to redefine the compact smartphone segment. A fresh design language. One of the most significant upgrades expected in the iPhone SE4 is a substantial redesign. The current iPhone SE3, while offering impressive performance, retains a design reminiscent of older iPhone models. In contrast, the SE4 is rumored to embrace a more modern aesthetic, aligning closely with the iPhone 14 series. This redesign is likely to include glass back. A departure from the aluminum back of its predecessor, the iPhone SE4 is expected to feature a glass back. This not only enhances the device's premium look and feel, but also facilitates wireless charging capabilities. Vibrant color options. Apple is known for introducing eye-catching colorways, and the iPhone SE4 is no exception. The device is anticipated to be available in a variety of vibrant hues, including red, blue, yellow, green, and black, allowing users to express their style. A display fit for the future. The iPhone SE3's LCD, while functional, falls short of the visual excellence offered by OLED technology. The iPhone SE4 is expected to rectify this by incorporating an OLED display. This upgrade will result in several key advantages. Superior color accuracy. OLED displays offer a wider color gamut, resulting in more vibrant and accurate colors. Deeper blacks. OLED pixels can be individually turned off, leading to inky black levels and improved contrast ratios. Wider viewing angles. OLED panels provide consistent color and brightness from various angles, enhancing the viewing experience. Unleashing the power of A17 Pro. At the heart of the iPhone SE4 will be Apple's latest A-series chip, the A17 Pro. This powerful processor is expected to deliver significant performance gains over its predecessor, enabling the device to handle demanding tasks with ease. Some of the benefits of this powerful chip include blazing fast performance. The A17 Pro will provide lightning-fast app launch times, smooth multitasking, and effortless gaming experiences. Enhanced AI capabilities. The chip's advanced neural engine will power sophisticated AI features, including improved image processing, natural language processing, and augmented reality experiences. Future-proofing. The powerful A17 Pro will ensure that the iPhone SE4 remains competitive for years to come, as it will be capable of handling future software updates and emerging technologies. A refined camera experience. The iPhone SE4 is anticipated to feature an improved camera system, building upon the solid foundation laid by its predecessors. Key upgrades may include night mode. This feature will allow users to capture stunning low-light photos, even in dimly lit environments. Portrait mode. The iPhone SE4's advanced depth sensing capabilities allow it to create professional-looking portraits with blurred backgrounds. Enhanced front-facing camera. The front-facing camera will receive improvements, enabling higher-quality selfies and video calls. All-day battery life. Apple has consistently prioritized battery life in its devices, and the iPhone SE4 is no exception. The combination of the efficient A-series chip and optimized software will ensure that the device can easily last through a full day of use, even with heavy usage. Release date and pricing. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone SE4 in the first quarter of 2025. The pricing will likely be competitive, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Conclusion. The iPhone SE4 promises to be a compelling offering for users seeking a compact, powerful, and stylish smartphone. With its modern design, OLED display, A17 Pro chip, improved camera system, and long battery life, the SE4 is poised to set a new standard for compact devices. Whether you're a casual or power user, the iPhone SE4 will likely exceed your expectations.